Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable word wrap in Atom Editor. To enable word wrap in Atom Editor on Mac, open Atom Editor. I am using this current version of Atom Editor. And this is my text file for an example. So click on Atom and go to Settings. Now click on Editor. Scroll the page all the way down. And click on Soft Wrap from the drop-down menu. Once you have enabled word wrap, the text in your file will automatically wrap to the next line when it reaches the edge of the editor window. This can be particularly useful when working with long lines of code or text that would otherwise require horizontal scrolling. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.